Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cracked Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important topic, which is polity. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from the physical geography of India is the highest peak in India is. So, the correct answer is option B, that is Kanchenjunga. Question number two, the largest river basin in India is. So, the correct answer is option A, that is Ganga. Question number three, the largest river island in the world is. So the correct answer is option A, that is Majuli. Question number four, the longest river in peninsular India is. So the correct answer is option A, that is Godavari. Question number five, the only major river flowing westernwards from India to Arabian Sea is. So the correct answer is option A, that is Narmada. Question number six. The largest delta in India is formed by. So the correct answer is option A, that is Ganga and Brahmaputra. Question number seven. The river known as Sorrow of Bihar is. So the correct answer is option B, that is Kosi. Question number eight. The largest desert in India is. So the answer is option A, that is Thar Desert. Question number 9. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? So the correct answer is option A, that is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 10. India lies in which hemisphere? So the correct answer is option B, that is it lies northern and eastern hemisphere. Question number 11. The Deccan Plateau is mainly composed of. So the correct answer is option A, that is it is composed of igneous rocks. Question number 12. The main soil of Indo-Gangetic plains is. So the correct answer is option C, that is alluvial soil. Question number 13. The largest salt desert in India is. So the correct answer is, let's see, it is option B, that is in Run of Kutch. Question number 14. The highest waterfall in India is. So the correct answer is option A, that is Kuchikal Falls. Question number 15. The main type of soil in Western Ghats is. So the correct answer is option B, that is it is laterite soil. Question number 16. The coldest region in India is. So the option A is the correct answer, that is Ladakh. Question number 17. The Nicobar Islands belong to which tectonic plate? So it is basically belong to Indo-Australian. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. The largest glacier in India is option A, that is Siachen Glacier. Question number 19. The highest plateau in India is. So that is option B, that is Ladakh Plateau. Question number 20. The longest river flowing through Rajasthan is. So the correct answer is option B, that is it is Chambal. Now let's start with the political and economic geography of India. So the question number 21, the largest state in India by the area is. So the correct answer is option D. No, option C, that is Rajasthan. Uttar Pradesh is by population. Question number 22, the smallest state in India by area is. So the correct answer is option A, that is Goa. Question number 23. The largest state in India by population is, as I said, it was Uttar Pradesh. Question number 24. The state with the highest population density is. So the correct answer is uh, option A, that is Bihar. Question number 25. The southernmost point of India is. So the correct answer is option B, that is Indira Point. Question number 26. The northernmost point of India is. So the answer is option A, that is it is Siachen Glacier. Question number 27. The easternmost point of India is. So the correct answer is option A, that is it is Kibutu. Question number 28. The westernmost point of India is, that is Guwahati Moti. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 29. The largest state in India by the forest cover is, that is Madhya Pradesh. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 30. The largest irrigation project in India is, so that is option B, that is Bhakra Nangal. Question number 31. India is the largest producer of which crop in the world? So it is rice. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 32. The western coast of India is. So answer is option A, that is it is Malabar coast. Question number 33. The eastern coast of India is. So the answer is option B, that is Coromandel coast. Question number 34. The only active volcano in India is. So the answer is actually Barren. Yes, option B is the correct answer, that is Barren Island. Question number 35. India shares the longest international border with which country? So the correct answer is option C, that is Bangladesh. Question number 36. India has how many neighboring countries? So it is 7. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 37. The largest natural harbor in India is. So that is Mumbai Harbor. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 38. The river Godavari flows into which sea? So it basically flows to Bay of Bengal. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 39. The river Narmada flows into it. So it basically flows into Arabian Sea. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 40. The river Brahmaputra flows through which Indian state? So answer is both option A and B. That is Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's start with the world and miscellaneous geography. Question number 41. The largest country in Africa by area is, so that is option C, that is Algeria. Question number 42. The longest river in Europe is, that is Volga. Let's see options. Yes, option C is the correct answer. The largest desert in Asia, that is option B, that is Gobi. Question number 44. The largest coral reef in the world. So the coral reef is option C, that is Great Barrier Reef. Question number 45. The world's largest waterfall is option C, that is Angel Falls. Question number 46. The country with the highest number of volcanoes is. So answer is option B, that is Indonesia. Question number 47. The deepest lake in the world is. So that is option A, that is Baikal Lake. Question number 48. The highest plateau in the world is. So the correct answer is option B, that is Tibetan Plateau. Question number 49. The equator passes through which of these countries? So answer is option all of the above: Brazil, Kenya, and Indonesia. And the last question, the largest island in India is, so the correct answer is option A, that is Andaman. Thank you for watching my videos with the great information. Let's meet in the next video with a new topic. Bye bye. Jai Hind. All the best for your exams.